Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Eagle fly solo, crows fly squads. Some people move with focus like eagles soaring through the sky, while others move in giant squads like they're filming a reality show at the shopping mall. Today we explore the funny difference between independent thinkers and crowd followers. So whether you're part of the fun crow squad or a peaceful solo eagle, remember confidence doesn't always need noise. Sometimes the calmest flyers sees the clearest spot. Are you more solo eagle or a fun crow squad? One, eagle flying solo doesn't mean hating people. It means knowing how to protect your peace, focus, and direction while still respecting others. Two, the wisdom difference. Squad crows often follow excitement. Eagles solo often follow purpose. Three, the motivation squad. Crows announce goals loudly online. The eagle quietly works until results appear. For the drama squad, the crows create emotional storm from a tiny misunderstanding. The eagle chooses communication and calmness. 5. The dance floor squad. The squad dances with unlimited confidence. The eagle contributes one respectful shoulder movement. 6. The Tech Upgrade Squad. Crows buy everything new gadget instantly. The Eagle asks, does my current one still work? Financial wisdom unlocked. 7. The Fitness Squad. Everybody buys equipment after watching one motivational video. The Eagle starts with simple daily habits. 8. The Online Comment Battle. Crows argue endlessly. The Eagle closes the app and touches the grass. 9. The party exit move. The crow squad stays until sunrise. The eagle leaves early with peace, energy, and functioning knees. 10. The school project squad. One person works, four people say moral support counts too. 12. The airport squad. Crows panic, check passports every 12 seconds. The eagle already organized everything yesterday. 12. The gaming squad. Bro, revive me. Echoes across the land. The eagle quietly completes the mission without panic. 13. The trendy fashion squad. Crows wear the same style immediately. The eagle wears what feels comfortable and confident. 14. The vacation squad. Crows rush for perfect photo. The eagles actually enjoys the beach. 15. The traffic crossing adventure. Crows cross instantly. The eagle waits for the safe signal like a patient legend.